Fruit punch and 191 and 192. So yes, this is Jeanita Blue, and if you are following me on Instagram, if not, go follow me right now. I'll put it below. Instagram chose the color that I was gonna dye my hair. Either light pink or hot pink. Let's see what they chose. And of course, the winner was the light pink. With 80% of people choosing light pink, I went to the hair store, I picked me up some Adora hair color, and we're about to get it started. It's everything you need. So I have 2 bottles of color here. These are the Adora colors in Pink Petal and Fruit Punch. You're gonna need a bowl. Don't come for my bowl. And of course, you're gonna need a dimming brush or a tangle teaser. And this hair right here, you're gonna need hair. And this hair I review. You wanna check out this review, I'll put it below. It's the Ms Lula Hair. I have a code and everything, check it out. Now let's go to step 2. You wanna prep your water. I just have some hot water here. You wanna boil it, get it really, really hot. And trust me, the hotter this water gets, the more the color will take, okay? So now that my water is boiling, I'm ready to go ahead and finish with the prep. Just want to take it and pour it into a container, one that's going to hold your hair. I'm just using this container here. It's a Tupperware container, and this will work perfectly, okay? All right. Next thing that you want to do is add your color. Now, first I want my hair to be light pink. Instagram chose light pink, so here we are. I'm using 75% of the light pink and then just 25% of the darker one, that Fruit Punch color. So you just want to add a dab of that there. Taking my brush and mixing the color together so the colors are infused with each other, and it's basically just perfect and ready to go. Okay, and don't judge my brush. It works, okay? All right, moving on to step 4. Now it is time to actually go ahead and dip our color. As you can see, the color is taking instantly, guys. I'm dipping this in here, and the color, like this hair is literally just sucking this color from that heat and everything. Like it's literally just, it's just taking it all in. It's actually really amazing and dope. Like if you haven't tried this, try it. These 5 steps will literally tell you everything you need to know for coloring your hair, doing watercolor, any color really. And sometimes this is really hot. I want you to be safe. Use your brush and push down the top of your wefts or tracks so you don't, burn yourself or hurt yourself. Okay, you just want to continue to dip. What I like to do is I like to go in and actually brush my hair to ensure that all strands are being colored and all strands are being coated. It's just something that I like to do. I most definitely recommend it. Now, as you can see, when I go and I pull out the hair out the water, you see all the color has been absorbed. Amazing. All right, now to our final step 5. You just want to rinse and style your hair, okay? Out the water, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it, and as you can see, this is the rinse result using that Pink Petal and that Fruit Punch. Those are the 2 colors that I use, and I'm literally just loving it. Like it's a little darker when hair is wet, but as you can see here, it's a little bit drier. I'm obsessed. I love this ponytail. It's so cute. It's my first time doing this, and I love how imperfect it is. So I want to come outside and show you guys the color in the natural light. I just think that is so perfect. I love how it took, guys. The water is boiling. It takes you no time. You can literally do this in like 5 minutes and your hair will be done. So easy, so perfect. And guys, I did go ahead and style my hair. Now this video I will be uploading soon, so if you're not subscribing, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell to see basically how I achieved this style. As you can see, the color came out perfectly. The color came out very beautiful. So yeah, turn the notification bell on, guys. Subscribe to this channel. My name is Jeanita Blue. I love you. Always remember to be blessed, be beautiful, love, and most importantly, be you. All right, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.